Sticking with the unique bags is the ever popular Peak Design Tech Pouch. This bag allows you to pack all your tech in one place so it's nice and clean when you pull it out of your suitcase. What do I carry in my tech pouch? For one thing, a plug bug from 12 South. Not only is it a great little hub to plug in, but it also has a tracking device on it so I can use Find My and know if I've left it somewhere. I also keep a OWC little hub, so it has HDMI, which has saved me on numerous occasions. USB-C A, USB-C C. It has an SD card reader, nice and compact. I carry extra cables. I need some of those USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to USB-A, and the newest deal, it's the fast chargers. Those old 15-watt chargers just don't cut it anymore. I always keep a little hydration packet because when you're running around, especially at an event or a trade show, you need to keep hydrated. This is a little Bluetooth speaker. Love to set it up in my room and just play a little music while I'm working. Now, this is a charger from my Apple Watch. And yes, I do have an Apple Watch charger that's in my suitcase. This is just my backup. Because if my phone is not charged, I'm not in a good way. I love this little HP earbud has its microphone on a separate little unit there because it only uses one ear and I can keep track of what's going on in the rest of my life. Has this little charging case right there. I also take this little ulanzi magnetic phone stand. Now this folds up flat. It's mag safe. And in a pinch, this is also a nice little holder for my phone if I need a little more steadying. Of course, no tech pouch would be complete without a Spuds lens cleaner. And here it is, branded for photo induced. There's one other thing that goes into my tech pouch or in my camera bag or in any kind of bag I carry around. It's this multi-plug little adapter. Now, I can have USB-C A, I can have Lightning, I can have USB-C. Basically, it's one cable that will attach to anything you're ever going to be using. As you can see, there's so many different pouches and places to put all your stuff. There's even an outside zippered compartment where you can even, if you wanted to, keep your battery in your pouch and go out through here, put the cable and charge your phone if that's what you wanted to do. But basically, this is a pouch that should be in everybody's bag. So when you travel, you have everything in one place.